Hi everybody, Diesel Johnny Boy here. Just a short video on ram pumps, hydraulic ram pumps. If any of you are familiar with my channel, you'll know that I'm fairly fascinated by these devices. I've actually got an original, genuine sort of factory-made ram pump. This is an Evans model. It's an Evans number 4 FIG 552, not sure what that means. 552 gallons, I don't know, not sure what that means. Anyway, this is it's a nice old pump. It dates from the 1920s, and it just shows you the ins and outs of the old hydraulic ram pump. This is quite a small model, so like it measures on maybe 16 inches high, I guess. So this is probably one of the smallest models, commercial models you could get. The inlet is here, so that's your drive pipe would connect onto there. So that would be upstream, and the water will come whizzing down the pipe and go into there. There's the impetus valve is in this device here. It's quite a nice casting. If you look underneath, it's quite a heavy old lump. There is the valve that goes up and down that creates the drive, as it were. And that it's quite cleverly designed actually. It's got fins on it, like little fins, and it would rotate, so I guess it prevents over wear of the valve seat. I think that sort of rotates. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So it has even wear on the seats. And that's like some sort of bronze material. So let's put that back on there for you to see. So like I say, the water comes in there. There's a mechanism here, that's the top half of the impetus valve. That's going up and down all the time. And each stroke drives the pump. And then the water then obviously passes through a little chamber. And here's the one-way valve. Obviously the wastewater comes out of here because you're only like maybe pumping 10%, 90% of the water is wastewater, so it comes out there and just goes back into the stream. Quite a nice sort of design, that one. Some of them just splash out everywhere, but this one's sort of it's got like a hood over it, a cow that funnels the water away into wherever you want it to go. I suppose you could put a trough on there or something, or like a channel it away. Anyway, here's the one-way valve. So this is where the water that's actually going to be delivered is coming into. You can just see, there's like some drilled holes in the brass. There's a bit of rubber here, it's pretty perished. There's a spring and some nuts here to adjust. I guess that would adjust the tension on the spring. So the water's coming up through here, those little drilled holes I just showed you. Then the pressure builds up. Here's the vessel. And then the water is expelled or forced out this hole, this pipe here, this union here. So that's your delivery pipe, which is a lot smaller than your inlet. That's like maybe an inch or less, about an inch delivery pipe, I guess. So that would take you to wherever you want your water to go. That's all there is to it, really. That's the vessel, which obviously creates the pressure. There's a hole here which something's missing from there, so I'm not sure. Maybe there's to get it going, a bleeding system. It's got another one up here as well, so maybe that for when you're maintaining it and you want to drain it out or helping prime it. I'm not absolutely sure. It does actually have a snifter valve as well, which is here. So that allows it to suck a bit of air in to stop it getting waterlogged. Otherwise this could end up getting waterlogged. So a little bit of air sucked in on each stroke of the one-way valve. It's quite clever, and then a bit of water will squirt out, but it'll suck a bit of air in. Well, that's it really. That's your Evans 1920s ram pump. We have like a modern version that I made. This is just a simple modern version. You can see these on my channel, but principles are all there of the old ram pump. we've got the drive valve, which is like a swing gate valve, and we've got the one-way valve, it's also a swing gate valve. And we've got a little snifter here, just a little hole with a pin in it, a split pin. And then we've got the pressure vessel. So yeah, that's just a simple small round pump made out of iron with some plastic gate valves on it. There's a little bit of right up here, so if we can have a look at that. So that's the kind of design of a ram pump. Let's hold it over. Hopefully you can see that, and there's a bit of a writing up here. Not sure if they'll be able to read that, but I'll hold it there for a second. You can pause it and read it if you're interested. I'll hold it here for a minute. Sorry if it's wobbling a bit. You can put it on pause hopefully. There you go. So this design is this sort of pump here. Anyway, there you go. I hope that's of interest to some people. It'd be good to hear any comments back if anyone's got some old pumps as well. This old pump was just, I put an advert in a magazine years ago, maybe 15 years ago, and someone gave it to me. It was rusted to hell. So we had it all shot blasted, and I've painted it up. I have it on display in the house now. It's quite a interesting thing. Sometimes when people come to visit, they think, well, what's that? And then you can enter into discussion about hydraulic ram pumps and bore them to death. Now let's have a look around the garden. We're all in lockdown at the moment, but so I'm spending a bit of time in the garden. We've got our little pond here, the lily's starting to grow. That's made out of an old agricultural feed boiler thing. Goodness knows I found that, but it's quite nice. We've got the palm trees growing in the pots there. Let's go and have a look at the garden. It's quite a lot quieter here now. There's not so much road traffic, which is nice. Hear the birds. The sparrows are starting to nest up there, which is nice. Let's go and have a look at the pond. That's just made out of an old bathtub. But yeah, the weeds all starting to grow now. Now we're almost into mid-April now. Pond weeds growing and the lilies are starting to grow. Got the birds coming to feed. Got their food ready. Got the old pigeon will be coming to visit soon. And we've got the, let's go and see what the tortoises are doing. Let's go and have a look. Where are they? Oh, there they are. They're having a bit of a, they're really enjoying this lovely warm weather. There's Nelson. He's only got one eye, hence his name. I hatched him out and he came out with only one eye. He's like 36 years old now. There's his mate down there. So they're enjoying the sunshine. Having a few dandelions. There we go. Anyway, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the little short video, and everybody take care, look after yourselves, and catch you guys later. Over and out.